Let us begin with the most transformative force in web development today: artificial intelligence. The days of AI simply auto-completing your code are behind us. Now, tools like GitHub Copilot, Replit Ghostwriter, and Cursor AI are evolving into genuine coding partners. They do not just finish your sentences, they predict your logic, suggest improvements, and even fix bugs as you work. AI is also stepping into design, generating responsive layouts, and suggesting user experience patterns from simple text prompts. In the near future, the most successful developers will not be those who type the fastest, but those who collaborate most effectively with AI. The ability to think critically and work alongside intelligent tools will be the new gold standard in web development. The barrier to entry for web development is falling fast. No-code and low-code platforms like Webflow, Framer, and Bubble are empowering creators to build fully functional websites without writing a single line of code. This shift does not mean developers are becoming obsolete. Instead, their roles are evolving. Developers are moving from pure coding to architecting systems, building custom integrations, and designing scalable infrastructures that support these platforms. The future will see hybrid professionals who blend technical expertise with strategic thinking, bridging the gap between creativity and logic. The next revolution is WebAssembly, often called WASM. This technology allows languages such as C++, Rust, and Python to run directly in the browser, delivering near-native performance. Imagine running complex applications like Photoshop, AutoCAD, or even 3D gaming engines entirely within your browser. This is not science fiction. It is happening right now. WebAssembly is transforming the web into a platform for serious, high-performance applications. The next generation of software-as-a-service tools, artificial intelligence dashboards, and even video editing suites will operate seamlessly in your browser, all thanks to WebAssembly. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, are redefining what it means to interact with the web. These apps load instantly, work offline, send push notifications, and can even be installed directly on your home screen, bypassing traditional app stores. As businesses seek faster and more cost-effective solutions, PWAs are becoming the go-to choice for small and medium-sized web applications. For developers, mastering PWAs is becoming essential. They offer a unique blend of web and mobile functionality, making them a powerful tool for the future. The web is about to become much more visually immersive. Frameworks like 3.js, React 3 Fiber, and WebXR are enabling interactive 3D experiences and augmented reality directly in the browser. Imagine shopping online and previewing a product in your living room using augmented reality, or attending a concert inside a fully interactive 3D web space. This new era of the immersive web will combine 3D design, real-time rendering, and AI-driven personalization to create experiences that feel alive and engaging. The future web will not just be seen, it will be experienced. Web3 may not be as loud as it once was, but its core idea of decentralization is quietly reshaping the web. Instead of relying on central servers, blockchain-based systems are giving users control over their identity and content. Imagine a world where creators truly own their data, authentication is wallet-based, and payments are instant through cryptocurrency. While we are not fully there yet, decentralization is influencing how developers approach authentication, storage, and application programming interfaces. With all these technological shifts, what does the future hold for developers? The most valuable skill will not just be coding, but adaptability. Developers of tomorrow will be problem solvers, creative thinkers, and collaboration experts. Whether working with AI, building across platforms, or designing immersive user experiences, the ability to learn quickly and adapt will define success in web development. The future of web development is smarter, faster, more immersive, and more human-centered than ever. Developers will not just code, they will create experiences. The web is not just changing, it is evolving into the next frontier of creativity.